How's it going, YouTube? It's Mr. Reshoevinator with my son, Hayden Fisher here.
What's going on, guys?
We had a great day at the park.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed it.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part? Honestly, I think it's got to be the ice cream. That ice cream was pretty good, but I had a lot of fun flying the kite. Yeah, that.
What about the wagon? Did you enjoy
The wagon was nice.
Okay.
The wagon, that was a fun ride.
Yeah. So, you guys saw the video up to that point. We're gonna clean these Monarchs here. He kind of ruined these with some ice cream that we had on our play date. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start cleaning these. I'm gonna have him clean this one now since he's the one that got him dirty. Let's put this here. For those of you that wear Monarchs, this is for you. We love them, they're nice and comfortable. It's somewhat of a dad shoe, but that's okay. Let's clean them up. So we'll start with putting a little solution in there, nice and easy. So we have our XL kit here, it's a size 12. Reason I'm gonna use this one is these things are kind of bulky and they are a size 12. It comes with 2 bags, so we can put 1 shoe in each bag. Has an XL shoe tree in it. So you can have that one there.
Thank you.
Son.
So with these shoe trees, they're adjustable, so you just want to adjust them to the size. Since this is a 12, our XL shoe trees fit up to 11 to 17. So right here should be just about good.
There we go, looking good. So since yours are so thrashed, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna use this. I don't wanna use this brush after you do it. I'm gonna start with the soft bristle. Just do a little pre-treat on this upper. Actually, you know what we forgot to do? Let's take out the laces here.
Steve, why are you always forgetting laces?
Because I don't do these videos very much. I don't know. I'm forgetful. I got a lot of other things on my mind, I guess. Laces is not one of them. Hey, you're not doing that right?
No.
What did I tell you, son?
I'm sorry, Dad. I was just doing it the way you showed me.
When did I show you to do it like that?
You showed me last night. We were cleaning your old shoes.
That's definitely not what I showed you to do. So do it right. Do it how I showed you.
Okay.
Please, thank you. Did you just roll your eyes at me, son?
No, what are you talking about?
Okay. How you doing over there?
I'm doing good, Midsoles are still a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna go back and hit them with the hard brush, see if I can get a little bit more of those dirty stains out there.
Good, you're learning fast, son.
I'm getting there, Dad, I'm trying.
It's Pops, okay? It's not Dad.
Sorry, Pops.
Pops.
Pretty sure that's black cherry. Yeah. Pretty good, it's coming out nice. I got all the pink out of there, working on the midsole still. Got a little bit of dirt, but...
Have you used that brush yet?
On the uppers, no, I have not.
Yeah, use that brush. That's the new all-purpose brush.
All right, let's see what this baby
It's got a
can do.
good bristle on it. You can even hit that, yeah, there you go. Go sideways right here. Like, yeah, get underneath that tab.
Hey, Pops, how are babies born?
You talking the birds and the bees?
Yeah.
Well, son, you see, there's this thing called love.
How does it work?
And when 2 people are in love, they tend to get in a relationship, and after a certain amount of time, they just sometimes have a baby. And then they raise the baby together, they get married, and I mean, that's pretty much it.
Is that how I came about?
Your story's a little different. We won't get into that.
Okay.
I don't want to.
All right, maybe a different time.
Yeah. Your mom was pretty wild. Let's just put it that way.
All right.
Okay, Hayden. I think we got these things pre-treated pretty well.
Yeah, they're looking nice.
What are we going to do with these now?
I'm going to take these bad boys. What you're going to do, dip them right in that solution. Make sure you get them nice and soaked. You just take them and go back and forth like this with your hands. Get all
try
that
not to
dirt.
get that all over me. I mean, okay. So just do this. Next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put these shoes in the laundry bag, put them in the washing machine, let that run, and then we'll come back and show you the final results. All right, so now what we're gonna do is put these in the laundry bag and then throw them in the washing machine. You ready?
Hey, Pops.
Yes, son.
How should I put it in there?
How should you put what? This one shoe in
Yeah,
there?
the one shoe. Should I just like slide it in there, or is there a special way?
You're my son?
Well, I think so.
Well, why don't you give it your best shot and let's see if you can do it correctly.
Okay.
How's that working out?
It's working out nice, actually.
There you go. That wasn't that difficult, right?
No, that was pretty simple.
Good. Perfect.
So, how do I use this thing?
This?
Yeah.
You haven't washed a pair of shoes yet?
No. I don't think I've ever seen one of these machines before.
All right, check it out. Got a line of water.
Okay.
Turn that on there, right? See on off?
Got it.
You like that? It lights up.
Yeah,
it's pretty,
nice.
right?
It looks good.
Okay. What size load do you think this is?
Probably a small.
Okay. You know what's up with this?
Our sneaker laundry detergent?
This is what you take bubble baths in.
Gotcha, okay.
You
Is that why I
remember your
smell
bubble
so
bath
good all the
toys?
time?
That is it. So we want your bubble bath. Squeeze it just like you do when you get in the bathtub.
Okay.
Pour that right in there. Start. That's
Pretty
it.
simple.
We'll come back in 42 minutes.
All right. Sounds good.
Cool. Let's go. All right, how's it going, YouTube? We are back. We cleaned these Air Monarchs that I've had since before he was born. That's, how old are you now?
Like 6?
You're only 6?
Yeah.
Do you have a 19-year-old brother? 20-year-old brother?
Not one that you haven't told me about.
No. Okay, well, I need to make sure. Am I still paying child support?
You're not.
I don't
with
think you're
mom
my
anymore?
son.
Oh.
Anyways,
Wait, what?
that's gonna wrap up this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're doing our Yeezy giveaway every month this year. I'm gonna go ahead and let you wrap it up.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching the video. Like you said, these came out really nice. Until next time.